Hi, Cunas Tantu, Ben from Bite Size Irish here, and today I'd like to take a bite-sized look at how to say I like to play in Irish. So to begin with, in English we use the verb to play in all sorts of different scenarios. In Irish it's a little different depending on the type of play that we're talking about. So we might use one or two different verbs for open play, games without structure. Then different terms for talking about games with structure. And then if we're talking about playing an instrument, we're going to use a different term again. So let's start with open play. The children are just playing in the playground. We call it expree or exugre. So we put these into sentences. I like to play. Is málum a bheith expree. I like to be playing. Is málum a bheith expree. Is málum a bheith expree. We could use sugra here. Is málum a bheith exugre. Is málum a bheith exugre. Is málum a bheith exugre. So that's just saying I like to play or I like to be playing. We'll need to use the preposition le, with, to talk about what we like to play with. So you might say, is málum a bheith exugre le mo fáistí. I like to play with my children. Is málum a bheith exugre le mo fáistí. Is málum a bheith exugre le mo fáistí. You might like to say you like to play with your friends. Here we'll use spree. Is málum a bheith expree le mo chairde. Is málum a bheith expree le mo chairde. Is málum a bheith expree le mo chairde. Or indeed you could use this preposition le to talk about something that you like playing with rather than someone. You could say is málum a bheith expree le Lego. So I like playing with Lego. Is málum a bheith expree le Lego. Or you might say you like to play with colours. Is málum a bheith exugre le dahana. Is málum a bheith exugre le dahana. So if we want to talk about playing a particular sport or a game with structure, we're going to use a different verb. We're going to say ag immert. So that's the verbal noun of the verb immer. Here also we will change the noun to its genitive form. That's what happens after the verbal noun in Irish. So we want to say I like playing basketball. Is málum a bheith ag immert kisfele. Is málum a bheith ag immert kisfele. Is málum a bheith ag immert kisfele. You want to say I like playing cards. Is málum a bheith ag immert cartaí. Is málum a bheith ag immert cartaí. Is málum a bheith ag immert cartaí. I like to play cards, or I like to be playing cards. I like to play hurling. Is málum a bheith ag immert mánaíochta. Is málum a bheith ag immert mánaíochta. Is málum a bheith ag immert mánaíochta. So here we're saying I like playing hurling. I like playing cards. I like playing basketball. We're not saying who with. So again, where we use the preposition le when we were talking about exugre or expree, here we can tag on who we like to play or what we like to play, hurling, basketball or cards with this preposition le. So I like to play basketball with my son. Is málum a bheith ag immert kisfele le mo bhac. Is málum a bheith ag immert kisfele. I like to play basketball le mo bhac with my son. Is málum a bheith ag immert kisfele le mo bhac. Lastly, if we want to talk about playing an instrument, we're going to say ag shenim. So I like to play music, simply. Is málum a bheith ag shenim ceoil. Is málum a a bheith sinnim ceoil. Is málam a bheith sinnim ceoil. So here the word ceol, the noun, is in, again, its genitive form after this verbal noun, ag sinnim. The verbal noun of the verb shine, to play. I like to play on the whistle. Is málam a bheith sinnim an bhadóg. Is málam a bheith sinnim an bhadóg. Is málam a bheith sinnim an bhadóg. There's a little bit of grammar here, what we call in Tisher Tawarhach, or the dative case, the simple preposition then the definite article on, meaning do, is causing eclipses on the word fadóg, which is whistle here. So on bhadóg. We'll finish today with a proverb, or seanachal, and this one simply is a little list of some of the things necessary for a good existence here on planet Earth. So, bia don chorp, duch don bheol, córá dausa agus ceol. So, bia don chorp, food for the body, duch don bheol, drink for the lips, córá, conversation, dausa, dancing, agus ceol, music. Bia don chorp, duch don bheol, córá, dausa, agus ceol. I'll leave you with that thought. From me, Ben, till the next time. Slán go fóill.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gaeilge 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.